FBI's been breathing down our necks. It seems like we got a rat in the organization.
A rat, boss? A rat? I hate rats!
Oh, Vito, you spilled the Parmesan cheese.
Hey, sorry, boss. Let me clean up the Parmesan.
No, Vito, don't worry about it. We got bigger fish to fry. Let the Roomba take care of it. Roomba! Roomba!
Hey, you got a Roomba! One of those robotic vacuum cleaners. Nice, boss. Nice. So who do you think the rat is?
I don't know, Vito, but I do know that whoever it is has got to be a great actor to infiltrate this organization. And they got to have an even better disguise, a real pro.
Hey, boss. This room over here? Over here? Pretty neat. Pretty neat. You see how we cleaned up that Parmesan?
Yeah.
But who is this cheese-eating rat, though?
Oh, I don't know, Vito, but you and me, we're going to go through every single person in this organization until we figure out who the rat is. It doesn't matter if it takes us all day.
Good idea, boss. If it takes us all day.
Yeah. So, first of all, there's me. I'm the Don. Okay? I know that I'm not the rat. Okay? And second, there's you, Vito, my right-hand man. I know you're not the rat.
I didn't think so either, but thanks for checking, boss.
Yeah. Third, well, that's it. There's nobody else in the organization. It's just you and me.
Hey, we're airtight! Yeah. How does the FBI have anything on us?
I don't know. But you know what? You better destroy these documents before they fall into the wrong hands.
Hey, Roomba, get rid of these! Good as garbage. Thanks, Roomba!
Yeah, thanks.
You're welcome.
Now, let's find this rat. Hey, boss. I think I'm wearing a wire.
No. Come here.
I think I'm the rat.
No, it's just a little piece of linguine.
For a second there, I thought I was going to have to teach myself a lesson.
Don, Vito, we have you surrounded. Come out with your hands up. Also, this is the FBI. We legally have to tell you that.
No. We're not going down without a fight. Vito, give me my gun.
Hey, boss.
Yeah.
There's another Roomba in here.
What?
He's bound and gagged.
Do you mean to tell me that my beautiful baby Roomba, this Roomba right here, has been the rat this whole time?
I hate rats!
You ate my grandma's gabagool, you son of a bitch! You did! Wait a minute. Which one is which? I can't tell the difference.
They look 100% identical!
Oh, I don't know who to shoot. Who do I shoot?
They look the same! Shoot both of them!
Well, who's going to clean up the carpets? I'm a complete slob. I'm always doing stuff down my front.
We're coming in. We legally have to announce that before we do it.
Oh,